Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another exclusive development. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. And turn on that post notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you guys will see. We're trying to reach the 6,000 subscriber by September 1st. And if you want to donate to the channel, we're trying to work on getting a drone. There are PayPal and other options to donate as well. Definitely like and share the video. Leave a comment. All that will help YouTube to push the video to new persons, to new watchers, so that the channel can grow. We're here at the new Kingston Business Center that's doing another update. I'm on Grenada Crescent, and this is Dominica Drive where Sagicor is. This is the side of the business center. They're doing an expansion and upgrade, so it'll be an upgrade and expansion of the business center. A lot of work has been done so far. So a lot of work has been done so far, guys. What I want you to do, I'm gonna put the link for the first video I did on this property probably about a year ago or a year and a half ago, and you guys will see the tremendous change, the tremendous transformation that this business center has gone through. So if you haven't seen that very first video, check in the comment section. So check in the comment section, guys, and check out that very first video of this property, and you can compare the difference and the great difference in terms of the work that has been completed. So right here we have Glow Food. I think this is a natural food store, a vegetarian food store, and beside it is the East Japanese. So while we're starting at the side, I'll go to the front when I'm finished and give you guys a front view. So we know we have New Kingston behind me. We have NR Catering. This is a restaurant. So they have moved all the restaurants from upstairs, from the food court to downstairs. So NKBC, New Kingston Business Center. So this is one of the side. This is one of the side entrance. So we have the Knutsford Express Depot over this side. They have courier service and also luxury coach to Mobe, Ochi. So this is the compound of the Knutsford Express. Very big property. They use it for parking as well. But this brings us back to the need where we believe that there should be multi-level parking. So imagine all this parking space transformed to a huge mega multi-storage or mega multi-story building and then parking underneath. So this is prime real estate that's been wasted, that's been used for parking as well. It's a very big parking space. Different companies use it for parking, but I'm sure this could be the home of the tallest building in Jamaica, which is currently the Pegasus. The Pegasus is 17 floors and is the tallest building built over 25 years ago. So some of these parking spaces could be a multi-level building and then parking underground. This is wasted space. But let me know in the comments, guys, what you think in terms of spaces like this in New Kingston being wasted. Let me know. Share your comments, guys. Share your comments. Alright, so this is the back of the business center. They're doing some work outside. They're probably going to rearrange the parking. They have underground parking, but they're doing some other external work. That top floor right there, the third floor, is new. It's been developed for a BPO space. A 800 seat BPO space. So that's the plans for it. They're moving pretty fast, but it's a lot of renovation and expansion they're doing, so that's why they're not finished yet. So they're definitely doing some work around the back. Not sure what's the plan, but this was parking space along with the underground parking. This is where you'd have drove to get to the underground parking. So not sure what they're doing with this space. I'm not sure if it will be building area. So quite a few Chinese workers on this project as well. So you have both Chinese and Jamaicans working on it. So we're on the inside. So quite a few vacant shops. So I think this is a part of the BPO space. So that's the elevator access right here. Elevators. So that's the elevator shaft. You see work happening in the parking area, not sure what they're building. Alright, so this is the underground parking. You'll have elevator access. For some reason I like the stone finish on the wall. Alright, so this is the parking area again. Project is financed by the First Global Bank. I think that sign is new. I didn't see that sign the last time. So again, guys, remember to check out in the comment section. I'll put the link for the very first video I did, and you guys will see the major changes that has happened here and the major changes that's still happening. So it's a major renovation and expansion. And over there we have the root vent towers. You probably can have a glimpse. There's also a video of that property on the channel. So Dominica Drive, the front of the building, New Kingston Business Center. Remember to leave your comment, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe as well, guys. Subscribing is free. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel so we can have some drone shots, we have PayPal and other options as well. So they're putting on final touches in certain areas, but it's almost finished. We took a walk upstairs. We see the many office spaces, some occupied, some getting ready to occupy. We saw the BPO space. We saw the underground parking, the restaurants on the ground floor. So we have East Japanese and Little Tokyo. beside each other. This is where Cuddy's was. This is Cuddy's space.